Did you know your toaster is haunted? Okay, maybe not, but it sounds spooky, right? Check out how I've used a few ingredients from the kitchen to create a spooky science experiment. I have a white trash bag on top of a 4-slice toaster. The trash bag represents a ghost. You've placed your hand up above a toaster before. You know hot air comes out of the toaster. Here's the simple science behind the experiment. The flow of rising hot air from the toaster creates a convection current inside of the trash bag. The air is heated, the trash bag expands, becomes less dense, and eventually it will lift into the air. Are you ready to launch our ghost trash bag here in the Hooked on Science Lab? Here it goes. Spooky! For Hooked on Science. I'm Jason Lindsay.